Chapter 2, Cumulative Assessment Inland Jewelers. This is the task of the day, and I highlighted this assignment, and this is the little description about this project that I've studied already. For your reading and understanding, I highlighted it. Next, I start the steps to complete this assignment. First step says that just I highlighted, bold, and increase size for your ease. First point says that it just we have to download and open the file of Excel in Excel sheet. This is the file that we have to download and then open. This is the file, and it's now move toward its next step. I bolted it, increase its size, and make it yellow. Second point says that insert the function in cell B2 to display current date from your system. Okay, just we have to put the current date in the cell B2. Move toward the Excel sheet, and this is the B2. For putting or inserting a current date, just equal write today. This is the option, double click and just enter. After entering, we get current date of the day. Date shows here not because the size of the column B is low than from the values. So really we see here 9/15/2024 is the current day of the day. After this, now move toward the next step, that is step number 3. Bold it, make it 12 in size and yellow it. Okay. And step number 3 says that with cell B2 selected, set the width of column B to autofit. Now we have to make the size of the column B autofit. Select the column B and select column B, move in home and come here in format, come in format and auto fit the column. Click here. So I see here current date. This is the instruction number 3. Now move toward the instruction number 4. Make it bold, then increase its size, make it yellow. This yellow, by making it yellow, you can easily see and read the instruction. Insert a VLOOKUP function in cell C5 to display the ring cost. For the first student, the cost of the ring type should be an exact match. Use appropriate relative and absolute cell reference. In very short, instruction 4 says that by using VLOOKUPs function in cell C5, display the cost of the thing that is related to the already given in the table, already given the. Suppose if I have to find the value of silver, then silver value should be the 400. Then we have to find the value of gold, it should be the 550, 100. This is the VLOOKUP function, and by using this VLOOKUP function we have to find the values in C5. This is the C5, putting the equal and write VLOOKUP, double click and click here. After this, lookup value, but lookup silver, okay, B5. And table array, what is the table array? This is the table array. Select it. And column index, what is the column index? And we are seeing that cost is in the column number 2, so put here 2. And at the last you have to write false, false false, and making it absolute and relative. For this we have to change the sign, putting the VLOOKUP values, and just OK. We get the value 400. We get the value 400. Now move toward the step number 5. Make it bold, increase its size, and highlight it in yellow color. Fill the function from cell C5 to range C6 to C11. The work we have done now, copy it from this to this. Okay. C11. Yes, C11. Okay. Next of this option instruction, make it bold and clear. Highlight it. Apply accounting number format to the range C5 to C11. Just we have to apply the accounting number frame format on here. For accounting number format, this is accounting number. This. Just click here. We get the values in the accounting format. This is the step number 6. Now step number 7. Bold it. Make it size 12. Make it yellow. Now I study what instruction says. Inside if function. If function, we have to use if function in cell E5 to calculate the total due. If the student has chosen to personalize the ring, there is an additional charges of 5% located in cell B21 that must be added to the cost of the ring. If not, student only pay the base price. Use the appropriate relative and absolute cell reference. Okay, very short. This step says that in cell E5 we have to use the function if function, and by using the if function, if student choose personalized ring, then it have to pay the value of 5% more, and if he not use this personalized, then he have to use the value of the ring that is present here. Extra charges he did not pay it. Okay, now in cell E5 we have to use the function if function. This is the E5, putting here equal if, and double click here. This is the function that we applied here. Logical test, what will be the logical test? This is the D5 equal yes. If D5 equals yes, then what? Then we have to pay cost plus 5% multiply by the cost value. If personalized, then we have to pay extra amount, total amount plus extra amount. And how to find extra amount? B21 multiply by real values, and if not, just we have to pay the real value. This is the if function. Just enter and we get the value 420, mean 20 more pay than the real value if we have to personalize this. This is the step of if. Okay, now move toward the point number 8, make it bold, uh, increase size, make it yellow. Fill the function from cell E5 to range E6 to E11. Now just we have to copy downward, copy it, downward. Next, point number 9, make it 12 in size, make it clear, and now apply accounting number format to this range. We have to apply accounting number format. This is the selected value and this is the accounting number put here. Okay, we get the accounting number format. Yes. Dear student, this assignment have total of 15 instruction and I have done 9 of its steps. If any of my students new one, if you need the complete solution, then you contact with me. I provide you complete solution of this assignment with very reasonable rate. I am a professionally teacher. I link with you as a teacher-student relation. If anyone have need my uh, help in the tuition teaching in any subject related with me that I have explained here very shortly, such as Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, Microsoft SS, Mathematics, and Accounting. I present here every time mostly. If you want to contact, then the number is mentioned here and my email address also present here. You can contact with me. You can hire me for the tuition and you can order me any type of solution, uh, your quizzes, your exam, your weekly test. I can help you with very low price. Thank you my dear student. Please like, subscribe and share this to other students. Thank you very much.